Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So we want every Gumroad buyer automatically added to your own list. If you are selling any digital products and not collecting emails properly, you are losing repeat sales. So in today's small tutorial, we're gonna go through how to actually integrate Gumroad with Mailchimp. Fast and easy as usual. Let's get started. So to do so, we should use Zapier or any automated basically platform that give us access to this type of basically settings. So I will go and get started from scratch. So as you see here, all you're gonna do is go look for zapier.com, open this small dashboard, pick Gumroad here, then now pick your Mailchimp here. Okay, I'm only gonna tap it. Now we have to choose our event or trigger. So for the trigger app, we're gonna choose Gumroad. As for the event, it's sale, for example, let's say it's a new sale. For the basically action here, you can use archive subscriber, campaign report, it depends on you. You can even permanently delete a member or add or update a subscriber. For example, you want to add a new subscriber to an audience of your choosing, it can be used to update an existing subscriber too. So for us, we're gonna go and pick this one. Now connect using your API key by going through the Gumroad here, go to the settings, then select advanced, copy your API key from there. Then as I told you from the action app, it's Mailchimp, we choose add or update subscriber. Now you can integrate for free or start with Google for free, depends on you. After this, you can select your audience, map the buyer's email and name. It's optional, but you can also add the product tag. Test this app and publish it. And that's the whole idea here. So thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.